guys, and welcome to weekly vlog number 48. This is Thanksgiving week. I don't know how much footage I'm actually going to be able to get, but I'm going to try my best. Right now, I am on my way to find some lunch. And like 2 nights ago, I went to Marshall's to look for some Christmas stuff, and I found some really cute pajama bottoms / leggings. And I wanted to wear them for our tree decorating video, and I wasn't able to because the girl that checked me out left the security tag on them, so I have to go all the way back to Marshall's with my receipt, of course, and try to get the tag removed. So it's gonna be an unnecessary trip to Marshall's. Once I'm there, I'm just gonna have to look around. As you can see, it's Sunday and George is not with me. That is because he had to work on a Sunday for the first time in like months. We've been running around trying to get some stuff pre-filmed for Vlogmas. That way the content is of quality for you guys this year. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, but I don't want something that I have to fuss with too much. And I also don't want to get out of the cart. As if I didn't just go shopping like 2 days ago. Back home, and I ended up going to Freddy's. Just here taking a little walk in nature. I'm taking a little break on this bench. Such a beautiful day. It looks like it wants to rain, but I don't think it's gonna. But the weather is just so good today, so I decided to go for a walk. Are we actually trying them for real this time? Came out quick.
Wait.
They look big.
Yeah, they feel big. What are we gonna do? We're gonna try them out, right?
I don't know. Which one's which?
Hey, which one's which?
You guys, they're like huge.
Whoa, whoa.
They're big.
Snap.
They're massive.
Whoa, they're like monsters. Oh, look at mine. Look.
Oh my god.
Look, they put a whole freaking chicken thigh.
That's
there.
a whole chicken.
That's a whole. Okay, so this one's the regular one because the sauce is white. Yours is orange, so it's spicy. So
I heard it's not really spicy.
It's got a little bit of the, I guess it's mayonnaise, huh? Try it.
Okay, still has pickles.
Mayonnaise, got pickles. Got a big old monster chicken
Oh,
leg.
that's spicy.
And that's it. And bread.
Okay, so we're gonna take a big, hefty bite each.
Okay.
And we're gonna give you our honest opinions on them.
Yes.
They smell nice. The bread smells nice.
Ready? I'm ready.
Go.
Go.
Take your time.
Crunchy.
This is a good thing.
Tastes like Popeyes chicken.
Yes.
Is it comparable to the Chick-fil-A Deluxe?
Try this one first. Ready?
You got a lot of crunch. Okay, there's an aftertaste that I'm not too crazy about, but it's not nasty.
I don't think they're bad.
No,
They're not bad at all.
not bad.
They're really good. Are they comparable to the Chick-fil-A? No. With that being said, that's not a bad thing because they're different
Yes.
in a good way.
Yes.
They're both different. And being from the South and having a fried, like an actual fried chicken sandwich, this is kind of a dream come true. This is kind of everything, actually. To the
But
Spicy
if I
Deluxe.
ever want a chicken sandwich, I don't think I'll come.
Really?
I think I'm always gonna go to Chick-fil-A, I think.
I mean,
I
yeah.
don't get a chicken sandwich from nowhere else.
Me either. But
Except-
this makes
except-
me want to go to Popeyes.
Like, the only thing
I
I
never
get,
want to go to Popeyes. I don't know what people are talking about. Sorry. This has a kick to it. Are you kidding?
Nothing.
Like, I'm not saying like it's like spicy. It has a little flair. I like it.
That's what I feel. That's what I feel.
Well, yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not an annoying spicy. It has the right amount of spice.
Wow.
Well, the sauce does, because I don't think there's anything different with the actual chicken.
Right.
It's just the sauce.
Yeah, just the sauce.
So out of these two, which one do you like better?
I should like this one better.
The original? I like the spicy better.
Yeah.
I'm very surprised. I've been very skeptical this entire time of this chicken sandwich, especially people comparing it to the Chick-fil-A one. There's just no comparison. They're different. I even like the pickles in this. Now, I always take out the pickles at Chick-fil-A. I'm so sorry about my face. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's been a long day, that's for sure. I don't know what you're talking about. This is bossy.
I should probably take another bite. Oh, there it is. There's the spice.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
To me, this has no flavor. To me, the original one is not the one. The spicy one is where it's at. Get my sandwich back. You gonna take another bite?
No. Here.
Take another bite.
I don't want it.
Oh yeah, you still have taco though.
Yeah.
Final words?
No more words. We'll go to Chick-fil-A tomorrow though.
Sure. We're going to Popeyes.
Huh?
Huh?
It is so hot here in Texas. I mean, wait, cold. Nah, it's hot. But I don't want y'all to see my hair. So it's time for a grocery haul. Thanksgiving edition.
You sure it's not Christmas? There's gingerbread houses in the background.
That will be in a future video. All right, here we go. First things first. Since Thanksgiving is in 2 days, we got some Thanksgiving stuff. We got everything except the bird, because the bird was going to be provided to us by my mother-in-law. It's not for us. It's for my mom. My mom needs a little checker thing that pops up whenever it gets hot in the turkey. You know it's ready. Country style cubed stuffing. Got turkey gravy. We got crispy fried onions, because we ain't got no time to fry our own onions. Oh snap, we got two. We got golden corn, because the yellow corn wasn't golden enough. A meat thermometer, because we might need it. 2 yellow onions, and 3 garlics. 2 butters. 2 butters, 1 for the turkey, 1 for the potatoes. Clean out the fridge. And we got lemon pepper, just in case. Lemon pepper is always good to have around. We got a sack of green beans for the green bean casserole. Then we got some celery and some carrots. Here we got some russet potatoes, the jumbo kind, because they're big. Big old thing of mayonnaise. And we got some 2% milk. We didn't need the other 98%, so we left that at the stove. Ow. That's unnecessary bologna in there. All right, we got chicken broth because turkey's nasty. So we're gonna put chicken all over the turkey to make it taste like chicken. And we got cream of mushroom, 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 and cream of mushroom.
What was that last one?
Cream of mushroom. We got extra green beans. We got more turkey gravy because we're gonna have 2 turkeys. The other one's just for backup, just in case. We got some leaves called saggy.
Sage.
We have some leaves called thyme. Oh wait, I read that wrong. Thimi.
I thought you were gonna say thyme.
And then we got some leaves called rosemary. Is this legal? And I don't know why we got these. We have good enough rolls here in Texas. Don't know why we gotta bring them from Hawaii.
Don't forget your imported water from
Yes,
Europe.
I got this water here because my wife said she was thirsty. And we were just so happening to pass by the European section. And the European section had Aqua Carpatica. Yes, nature's most perfect water.
How much was that bottle of water?
$2.50.
79 cents. I got me some Kroger water with better alkaline than yours.
What's yours say?
9.5.
Let me taste it. Let me taste the alkaline. Let me taste. Look, does yours say on the bottle 20 years of natural filtration during the underground journey of the water?
So you're drinking 20-year-old water? That doesn't sound safe.
Water don't expire. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like on the bottom. Leave a comment on the bottom too if you like this video. And let's carry on with vlog number 48.
Oh, you got it right. Everybody, round of applause for Georgie.
48. Peace.
Why are you geeking out right now? Yeah.
Shots per second.
It is pretty cool. But the price kind of isn't.
But it was 125. Now it's 65.
Are you actually thinking about it?
I'm actually thinking about buying this. Look how happy they are playing this, shooting each other.
I feel like you're the only one that's gonna have fun though. Like you should get some.
I feel like I'm the only
should get
one
two.
ever that likes Nerf guns.
Okay, well you should look for at least 2 smaller ones for you and Matthew, from Jonas and Matthew.
No, I want to kill them.
You said no.
No, they could buy it themselves.
Oh my god, that could be your Christmas present. You've always wanted one,
Really
but I feel like it's missing like a bunch.
It might be, but
Yeah.
you can refill it all day. You can get new ones.
I'm getting this shirt for Thanksgiving
shirt.
tomorrow because it's not gonna be cold here.
And this shirt. And
Oh,
this
yeah.
shirt.
They're all cool. So
This is $30.
I like the other one better.
I like the other one better. So this is when I do my adult thing and compare prices online.
Yeah, it's the right thing to do.
That's the right thing to do now. Let's see.
I have to like grab it right because from the other end. What are you doing? Are you getting both of them?
Yes.
Why? You don't need both of
I
them.
can buy whatever I want.
Oh wow. Aww. What I'm saying is you're gonna. Huh?
I should buy paint guns instead.
Wait, you're gonna drop the little balls.
Oh.
It's like opened.
I have like a trail
Here,
of little balls falling
I'll
behind
help
me.
you. Or maybe these for the restroom spare?
Yeah?
There's just one though. Or maybe for the dining room.
Well, I can make it. Was $22, discounted to $12.99. I can make it for you right now for $5.99.
That's funny. You're like a kid on Christmas.
Yes. It's my birthday present. Christmas present.
You can't open it.
Rechargeable battery? What? Yeah, but I feel like this helps my throat. The house is a mess, full of Christmas stuff and fall stuff. It's a battle, and fall is losing.
Aww.
And we got Thanksgiving going on right now.
Can't wait for this green bean casserole.
Yeah, I got sick last week. My throat hurt, or it's raspy, or it's itchy, and all other kind of stuff is happening in this general area.
Big guy.
Hello, wife. Yes, I'm trying to tell you, Eileen.
I already applied. They don't want me.
You should try again. Shouldn't somebody wait? Okay, I guess we're all gonna wait. Great. Right here at Target, and we are going to get a camera. Yes.
It's like I knew you were gonna record. No way.
No one's coming.
So far we're twinning phone cases.
I'll take it. And. Sure.
I'm over here trying. Not really. We're just very fallish.
We're fun.
So sad.
I'm always green.
Where are Matthew and George? There's some Christmassy right there.
A 2 pound.
I wouldn't like to get that.
Oh my.
I like Kit Kats, but I don't like them that much. You should get her minis, the miniatures. Amalia, you remember how I had that one little peanut butter tree?
No.
Okay. I want these. Where's George?
Y'all keep an eye out for Sour Patch.
I'm probably not. Never mind, I shouldn't. I've been eating so bad lately. So we are on our way to Starbucks right now because I want to get some work done while we drink some coffee because we had such a late night last night. And also every day for like 2 weeks now, we've been going to sleep so late. So it is almost 1 p.m. We're just now getting out of the house. Then we're gonna go have some lunch. Then I have to come back and film a few videos. If not, I'll just work on the Vlogmas intro the entire day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
So,
Hey,
how you doing?
I'm good. I'm just editing.
Finishing up
Barely.
weekly vlog number 48.
This is literally the longest vlog in forever.
Yeah, it's super long.
It's like 20 minutes long.
In preparation for Vlogmas.
2019!
Yes.
Are you guys excited? Oh my gosh, it starts tomorrow. So we just wanted to come on here and finish the vlog.
The next time we're going to see you guys, it's going to be on Vlogmas day number 1.
AKA tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yep.
We're going to Santa's Wonderland tomorrow.
Yeah, Santa's Wonderland, so that'll be fun.
Thank you guys so much for joining us in this week's vlog, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
Peace.